Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through our best practices for using our OneScreen GoSafe. Come on and join me. When using our OneScreen GoSafe body temperature and facial recognition scanner, you're going to want to frame your face within the boundaries drawn on the screen. You also want to make sure that the red dot is in the center of your forehead so that it can accurately read your temperature. You want to ideally use medical masks instead of printed cloth masks. You will remove your sunglasses and/or any other reflective eyeglass wear. The optimal distance for temperature detection is 1.6 feet from the device. However, accurate temperature is detected up to 3.2 feet away. This is not ideal for outdoor use, so you want to avoid direct sunlight, rain, temperature, humidity variation, and wind. It's going to be optimal in a temperature range of 68 to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. And additionally, the optimal humidity level will be between 10 and 50% for system reliability and safe operations. You can calibrate to compensate for external environment whenever the environment changes. And you also want to avoid strong lighting in the surroundings and have a clear and non-reflective background. This is going to be used in a room with no direct sunlight and away from radiant heat. And you will not measure through any glass or other transparent surfaces. This is going to be used for only one person, so it's only one person's temperature that is being detected at a time. This is not a medical diagnostic tool. Thank you so much for walking through our best practices for the use of our OneScreen GoSafe. Thanks again.